Hey there, AVATUS trendsetters. They are 1.0 in the digital house, ready to mix reality with virtuality. Let's dive into the magic of post selfies, where you and your avatar become one. Let's get snapping. Spot the plus icon. Give it a gentle tap. Witness the magic unfold. Your avatar's face merges with yours. Whatever you're in the mood for, get that killer pose. Add up to 5 dazzling snaps per post. Give it some zazz. Adjust the brightness, slap on some funky filters, and play with saturation to get that perfect mood. Change of heart about the order. Just tap, hold, and drag to rearrange those snaps. Click next and pour your thoughts into a caption. Select a dome, that's our interstellar way of categorizing your content, and tag a fellow AVATUS Voyager if you're feeling social. Once you're all set, hit post, and there you have it. A seamless blend of your universe and ours. Making memories on AVATUS is as easy as 1, 2, snap.